Watch this video and learn how to draw a slice of birthday cake. Later in the video, Artie has a dance break. And watch to the end to see one of Louie's shape breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Then let's go! It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to create some art?
No. Artie's not in the mood today.
What? You're not in the mood?
No.
Oh, well, I suppose you can't force it.
Just kidding. Of course, Artie wanna make art.
Oh, Artie.
Hey there, Betty.
Hello, Mikey.
Hey, little artist.
So what are you going to draw?
Well, I have no idea.
Do you want me to help?
Yes, please.
Well, you know how you love cake?
Yeah.
Birthday cake.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
draw some.
Good idea. Great. This is gonna be so much fun.
Yes, it is.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start.
Okay, let's begin. Let's start by drawing a big blob of cream that's going to be on top of the birthday cake. A nice swirly shape. Oh, Artie, it looks a bit like Betty Brush's hair.
Yeah.
Betty has very nice hair. Let's draw another nice blob underneath. And you know what? Let's add another blob underneath that. So it's a nice mound of cream. Yummy.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Now, Artie, as this is a birthday cake, I think we should draw a candle. Just one. 2 straight lines with a little curve at the bottom, a circle at the top, and let's add some stripes. Oh, here comes Bunny Fluffington.
Hi, Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
Hi. Oh, what you drawing? Ooh, that looks so good. I might just nibble it. Just kidding. All right, bye.
Bye.
Bye, Bunny. Now, Artie, let's add a nice big flame on the top, as if the candle's lit and it's waiting to be blown out. That looks really good, Artie.
Oh, it's time for a dance break.
It is? A dance break?
Yeah,
What about the drawing?
yeah, we come back to drawing later.
Well, I suppose we...
Dance break?
Okay.
Yay! Dance break! Dance break! Yeah!
Dancing is a form of art.
Dance, Artie, dance!
That's what I said in the dressing room, darling. I mean, fantastico. Fantastico 10.
Oh, dance break!
That was fun.
Yeah, that was really fun.
Are you okay? Are you tired?
A little bit tired.
Well, shall we carry on with the drawing?
Yeah,
Come on then.
okay.
Let's add a big curved line on the right side of the page. Keep watching, because coming up it's one of Louie's shape breaks. Add a little hook on the end. Now, on the left side, let's draw another curved line with another little hook on the end. That's it. Let's connect those two hooks together with a straight line right across the bottom.
Painty! Oh no! Go away! No, Painty, no!
Look out!
No! Oh.
Oh, Barry, don't encourage him. Painty's so messy. Ugh, what a mess. Well, that's right, Artie. Add an angled line going up and then another line right across, left to right. Perfect.
Oh, why don't we have a shape break?
You want a shape break?
Yeah.
Well, I suppose we could.
Louie, let's have a shape break.
Hello, little artists. Welcome to the shape break. My name's Louie, and I'm going to teach you about this shape here, the triangle. One of my favorite shapes. Now, triangles have 3 sides. Should we count them together? Yes, come on, come along. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and a little pointy top right at the top there. What did the circle say to the triangle? I see your point. See, because he saw his point. Okay. What about those triangles that you bang and they make a really lovely sound? They're in orchestras. Yes. Well, why did the triangle player quit the orchestra? Oh, I don't know. It was just one ting after another. Get ting, ting, ting. Okay. Well, what are your favorite triangle shapes? I know what mine are. I love a pizza slice. Oh, a slice of pizza. That's a triangle. What about slice of cake? Also a triangle. Tortilla chips. They're triangular. Yes. Coat hangers. Not quite as yummy as the other things, but coat hangers are triangular. That's right. Oh, this is a good one. A triangle says to a circle, "You're pointless." Then the circle says back, "That's how I roll." Okay.
Oh, Louie, that was good. Yeah. Oh, Artie learnt a lot.
We learnt about triangles.
Yeah.
Our slice of cake is a triangle shape. Let's add another horizontal line all the way through the middle of the cake and another one below that.
That's delightful.
That's a big word.
Now let's add some circles in that middle space. Maybe later on when we colour in, we can make these cherries, as if they're cherries right in the middle of the cake. Yummy! Well, Artie, it's looking good. I think you might be finished.
I finished.
I thought so.
Yeah.
It's yummy.
Yeah.
I want to eat it.
Yeah.
Now I want cake.
Yeah.
Now what?
Oh, I think I want to color it in. Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Okay.
It's time to color it in.
I finished.
Came out so good, Artie. It looks good enough to eat.
Fantastic.
Are you pleased with it?
Very, very pleased.
Should we go and get some cake?
Yeah. Artie's having an Artie day.
See you later, Artie.
Have a great day, Artie.
That's the end of the show. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an Artie day. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.